Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Bear from Birdwave. How's it going? Today, as you can tell from the title, we're going to look at gold. So it's going to be an update from the video from February 14th. So if you watched the video, if you haven't, feel free to go take a look at it, because it's pretty sad to say so, but I was right. If I'm going to bring on the video from February 14th, and here, as you can see, I was looking for further upside. To be honest, I was looking, and I mentioned that we could have had two different alternates, one for further upside and another one which was a bit more conservative. But I did say that potentially we had completed wave 4 and we were soon ready for all-time high. Now, 3 weeks later, here we are. We're almost breaking all-time high. By the time you're going to watch this, potentially all-time high will be broken. But it's there. It's happening. It looks like, by all means, we are going to go much higher than we are right now. I could easily see gold reaching, at least 2,300 would be my initial target. Now, to kind of wrap up what we were talking about last time, here we're looking at 1, 2, 3, and we're just looking for wave 4 to pair up to this wave 2. Now, it appears that wave 4 has completed in the form of a triangle. And if we focus on what's happening, this could be seen as a 1, 2, and now we are just in wave 3 of a wave 3. So a third of a third, which, as we know, has the characteristic of being very strong, powerful, therefore quick move in this example to the upside. So if I'm going to take it to the 1 hour, and it's not showing up, so when TradingView messes up with my chart, always get a little upset, but I like it either way. So see, it moves a bit. So as you can see here we have 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, I would say 4, and up for 5. So 5 ways up. Here, it's a bit complicated. I would just leave like this, 3, and then this could easily be some kind of a nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So that would be, yes, correct degree. And here I would see 1, 2, 3, sideways 4, up for wave 5 of intermediate 3. Now, where is primary 3? So primary 3 is here. If we look at some relationships, here I would wait for at least equality to be reached. So equality would be right here. So once we get to equality, most likely we may get some resistance showing off. Now, don't panic if we do get some resistance. Now, what could happen is we get some resistance, going to be weak, potentially take us back to 61.8, retest that area. We could also see a sideways move. I would expect, honestly, a sideways move, because let's assume we end wave 3 here around equality. Then wave 4, primary 4, it was playing hide and seek. Anyways, I would expect this to be sideways, as we would have alternation with wave 2 of the same degree. Therefore, we could get some resistance here, as I was saying, and then sideways move into wave 4, potentially retest the 61.8%, and then at that point further upside for wave 5. And if we do have wave 3 been similar in length to wave 1, wave 5 could then be extended, therefore been significantly longer than both wave 1 and 3. Now, that's not what's going to happen, but if we do get a deep retracement, potentially even to overlap this territory, then we could have a nest. So 1, 2, and then again 1, 2. And then we could see gold hitting very high prices in the future. Because of course we would have 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 to end wave 3 of primary degree. This one down for 4 and then up again for wave 5 of primary degree. So hope that makes sense. If not, then I would recommend to take a quick look at my free and very brief Elliott wave course. More than a course, it's just a collection of some Elliott wave videos that are meant for beginners at their very early stages. But still, if you're new to the Elliott wave theory, I'm sure you'll find them useful. At least I hope so. Anyways, that's what I see for gold. Now we are looking at, obviously, we are aware, as I've mentioned many times in my previous videos for the past month, we are aware of the situation we're in. Now I don't want to go into that, but you know what I'm talking about. And obviously we're seeing commodities, all commodities. I mean, I have wheat on my watch list, and it's been going crazy. I actually have been tracking it since the beginning of February, when I saw this sideways consolidation. The initial move down, this one was in 3, therefore I knew we were going to move higher, and we did. And I mean, this is big. Look at this, 80%. Anyways, as I was saying, we know that commodity prices are going to the roof. And for oil, for instance, I would expect at least 140, 138 to be reached, as it would be equality of this move up. So we know that as we pass the 1.8, I would like at least equality to be reached. And look at where that would be. So yes, I do not believe in coincidence in the market, but unfortunately I was correct from my previous video on gold. But it's something at least I tried to prepare you for. I hope you guys took the video as an advantage. If you enjoy the content I bring out to the channel, please subscribe if you're not already, and leave a like. If you want to know more and get to know me deeper in what I do in Elliott wave terms, please feel free to join my public Discord. You'll find the link in the description, and you can just send me a private message. I'm happy to help for any questions you might have. And obviously feel free to check out my mentorship. Anyways, that's what's going to happen. That's what could happen. I'm pretty sure we will see further upside at this point by looking at the chart in Elliott wave terms. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.